Hi, Mayor Bill Wild here with another address to the citizens of Westland to keep you informed of what we're doing in response to the latest developments regarding the COVID-19 outbreak. I want to start with a few thank yous. At the top of that list would be the residents of the City of Westland. Because of your compliance with Governor Whitmer's stay-at-home order and by following the recommended guidelines from health experts, we are seeing a decline in the numbers of new cases of COVID-19, and we are contributing to the flattening of the curve in Wayne County. Next, I want to extend my thanks to the City of Westland employees. These have been difficult times, and we've been forced into new and different working conditions. That is in addition to the safety concerns and the implementation of a COVID-19 employee furlough plan. But through it all, our employees showed nothing but professionalism. And I want to thank all of them for their cooperation, and I look forward to the time that I can welcome them all back with a smile. The coronavirus pandemic has caused changes in all of our personal lives, as well as to how we've been doing business over the last few months. And I know many of you were looking forward to family vacations, concerts, celebrations, and fun community events this spring and summer. Unfortunately, many of those events have been canceled across the country and even right here in Westland. I was disappointed to announce that we would be canceling the 2020 Blues, Brews, and Barbecue, the Relay for Life, our outdoor movie night, and our annual community gathering, amongst other things. Some of these events have been in the planning stages for many months, which makes it even that much harder to accept. But rest assured, organizers of these events and all the other events that were shelved this year will be returning next year, and I'm sure they're going to be coming back bigger and better than ever before in 2021. So, what's going on in Westland right now? We are still working hard to provide the essential services that are needed to keep Westland running, and this includes water and sewer, the finance department, of course our police and fire personnel, and others. Our communications and economic development teams have been providing updates for citizens and businesses, and the COVID-19 section of our website at thecityofwestland.com has been totally redesigned with the latest data to keep you informed. There's also been a lot of work being done to develop a return to business plan for the City of Westland. We are committed to reopening City Hall and the Jefferson Barnes Center in limited capacities on Monday, June 1st. But things are going to look a little bit different. There's going to be less staff than when we closed the buildings back in March. We'll be bringing team members back into the building in phases, and some employees will continue to work from home while others are being brought back from furlough. In addition to that, there'll be physical changes to employee workstations to be able to better provide a safe working space in this new world that we now live in, and unfortunately we work in it too. So that is just the first phase of a comprehensive plan. So I'm sure the question that a lot of people have is, so what happens next? Well, first of all, we've been following the lead from Lansing regarding the opening of businesses and public spaces. When Governor Whitmer and her team of public health officials deem that it is safe to move into the next phases of the My Safe Start plan, we will do so. Very soon, we will be implementing programs that utilizes Federal CARE Act funds to help assist citizens and businesses who have experienced economic hardships due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As we progress into the second phase of our return to business plan, we will focus on plans and policies that will allow us to hold public meetings. The goal right now is to be ready to have the Westland City Council conduct their June 15th meeting right here in City Hall and have it open to the public. In phase 3 of the plan, the concentration will be on opening our other facilities, our park amenities, and accepting room and pavilion rentals when it is deemed that these things can be done safely. This final phase will also have some fun things happening as well, and right now we're in the planning stages of a major event that will help bring everyone together when it is safe, and we'll be back to talk more about that in the future. A lot of people have also been asking me, what can I do? And I'm proud to say that so many of our residents in our community, they've stepped up and they really truly have showed that we are a compassionate city. The support showed to our frontline workers and first responders has been tremendous. So I would say, please continue doing what you have been doing in that area, and also keep looking after your neighbors and check in on those seniors in your neighborhood. who might not be doing so well with all that's going on these days. And one thing that you can do, if you haven't already, that's to fill out the census information. The city really relies on an accurate count of residents in order to get our fair share of billions of dollars of federal funds that are distributed based on the census results. And you can do it quickly and safely by going to www.census.gov. So please take 10 minutes, answer the 10 questions, and help shape Westland for the next 10 years. Another thing you can do is continue to support the Westland business community. Keep getting those carry-out dinners from your favorite places, and when other things begin to open up, make sure you stop in, tell them you missed them, spend a few dollars, and of course, I'm still asking everyone to please continue to exhibit best practices in terms of wearing masks and practicing social distancing, and I encourage those businesses to make sure they're doing it as well. The same applies when you visit our mini parks, which are still open for walking and other fitness activities. I've also been getting a lot of people asking about getting tested, and we have just completed the creation of the Coronavirus Response Hub, which has been added to the city's website. This web page includes a list of COVID-19 symptoms, prevention methods, tons of resources, and a link to find the testing site nearest you. You can access all this information by going to thecityofwestland.com. It's very important that you stay informed, and that's why our website also gives the latest information on executive orders, business news, and COVID-19 trends. Be sure to follow us on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter for updates throughout the day, and stay tuned to WLND and YouTube for more updates. Of course, you can always call my office with questions or concerns at 734-467-3200. So once again, I'm asking you to stay vigilant and stay patient. We will get through this challenge together. Thank you.